Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You should begin by collecting every daily reward and finishing 3 daily quests. This builds tokens fast. Once done, spend tokens on boxes and check the token shop for PowerPoint offers, because boxes and specific shop items grant concentrated PowerPoints. Make sure to favor PowerPoint offers over skins or coins when you want upgrades. Also, join an active club to gain extra seasonal rewards. These consistently add up to useful PowerPoints for your primary brawler. Now focus gameplay on events and modes that yield boxes and high token returns. Push wins, because you gain more boxes per time played. Once you identify which brawler needs PowerPoints, track the shop rotation and buy targeted offers with coins or gems. Make sure to complete banned events and progress seasonal passes. These provide predictable PowerPoints and reduce randomness. Also, swap to brawlers with easy win rates to increase your token per minute ratio and speed up farming. Finish by allocating PowerPoints to your main brawlers in a priority order so you get the most gameplay benefit. Upgrading a single brawler often beats spreading points thin. Once done, fill gaps with club chests and occasional mega boxes during special events. If your PowerPoints don't appear, first check for delayed shop cycles and perform an account sync. If issues persist, contact in-game support with screenshots. This usually resolves missing rewards quickly and gets you back to farming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.